Huawei is gearing up for an exciting release, and the Mate 70 series is at the center of it all. The company's chairman, Yu Chengdong, has set the stage by showcasing the Mate 70 Pro Plus even before its official launch. This strategic move not only adds to the anticipation, but also gives us a glimpse of what to expect from this flagship device. Yu Chengdong took to his Weibo account to share a teaser for the Mate 70 series. Interestingly, the post reveals that he used the Mate 70 Pro Plus handset to announce the launch date. According to the teaser, Huawei will officially unveil the Mate 70 series on November 26 at 14:30 during a live broadcast. The teaser features a captivating cosmic circular structure, which resembles the phone's camera design alongside the tagline, "Sorry for the long wait." This announcement has sparked widespread interest among netizens, many of whom noted that the chairman's use of the Mate 70 Pro Plus hints at its potential as a top-tier device. It's expected to boast features and capabilities that set it apart from the standard and Pro variants. Already, the Pro Plus model is stealing the spotlight even before its official debut. Huawei is making notable changes to its Mate 70 lineup, signaling a clear distinction between the standard models and the premium variants. The lineup includes the Mate 70, Mate 70 Pro, Mate 70 Pro Plus, and the ultra-high-end Mate 70 RS Ultimate design. While the standard and Pro models may keep things relatively simple, the Pro Plus and RS variants are expected to push the boundaries of innovation and luxury. One exciting detail is the Mate 70 series design, which features a diamond cut texture as highlighted in the teaser. This design choice not only enhances the phone's aesthetics, but also underscores its focus on power and performance. The iconic circular camera module showcased in the teaser suggests a quad-camera setup promising superior imaging capabilities. At the heart of the Mate 70 series lies Huawei's latest advancements in hardware and software. Equipped with a new Kirin chip, these devices are set to deliver next-level performance. Additionally, the Mate 70 series will run on HarmonyOS Next, offering a seamless and efficient user experience. Together, these features make the Mate 70 series a force to be reckoned with in the smartphone market. Pre-booking for the Mate 70 series has already commenced, reflecting strong consumer interest even before the official launch. The teaser has only added to the excitement, giving fans a reason to mark their calendars for November 26. Interestingly, Yu Chengdong has been discreetly carrying the Mate 70 Pro Plus in public. During the recent Guangzhou Auto Show 2024 conference, he was seen with the handset in his pocket, further fueling curiosity about its features. This subtle marketing tactic has successfully kept the spotlight on the Pro Plus model, building anticipation for its unveiling. Huawei is known for its innovative approach, and this time the Mate 70 Pro Plus is shaping up to be a game changer. With its refined design, advanced imaging capabilities, and cutting-edge technology, it promises to set a new standard in the premium smartphone segment. Huawei has always been a trailblazer in the tech industry, and the Mate 70 series is no exception. By putting the spotlight on the Pro Plus variant, the company has managed to create a buzz that extends beyond the typical pre-launch excitement. The combination of powerful hardware, innovative software, and premium design makes the Mate 70 series a must-watch in the world of smartphones. With a launch date set for November 26, the countdown has officially begun. As fans eagerly await the unveiling, one thing is clear: the Mate 70 Pro Plus is not just another smartphone. It's a statement of Huawei's commitment to pushing technological boundaries. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't miss the live broadcast as Huawei reveals the Mate 70 series in all its glory. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.